In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix double-click mouse. So, in case you're clicking only once on your computer and your mouse is clicking twice or appears to be clicking twice in Windows 11, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue right now. So the first issue may lie inside the File Explorer itself, okay? And the way to fix this is simply going into Explorer and then pressing these three dots up here where it says See More, and then clicking Options down here. And now a folder options window pops up and you want to click over here where it says click items as follows. Now you may have this set as the single click to open an item, and I'm going to show you what this does. So once you're inside the anywhere of the File Explorer, you only have to hover over the item for it to highlight and then only press once for it to open. So in case you're not used to that, it may appear like you're actually double clicking while you're only clicking once, okay? So in order to disable this, simply you want to go over here inside options and then make sure you have the double click to open an item selected, then apply and okay. And now if I only click once, the item only gets selected, okay? If I click twice, there we go. It's now opened up and I can view it. Now this may be the first problem. Now the second problem may lie inside the mouse settings. And the way you find this is simply by going down here to the search inside Windows and type in mouse settings, okay? Then you want to go inside the mouse settings right here and then scroll all the way down to the bottom to where, as you can see, it says additional mouse settings. You want to open this up, and over here where it says double click speed, you want to play around with this, okay? So you can put it to more to the fast side or to the slow side and just check if something is working better for you and if that fixes the issue. You can also kind of try clicking over here, okay, where you can see on this folder, and you can check whether this works for you or not and how fast it actually is. And that's the second option. And make sure you have click lock so ticked off, okay? Don't have it selected but have it turned off, because that can also interfere with some problems. Now in case that did not fix your issue, okay, in case those two things didn't fix your issue, it may be that the problem is actually within your mouse itself, okay? And if that's the case, you may have to replace the mouse or take it somewhere so they can fix it for you. But yeah, when it comes to computers, this may be the problem. Now if you have a gaming mouse, make sure the proper driver is installed for the mouse, okay? And if you have a USB mouse or some mouse that has a battery in it, try to replace the battery with a new one, because that may be the problem as well, okay? Now I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.